Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan GTR 50th anniversary edition, and this is a pearl white edition, and this is by Era car. So we did unboxing of one Era car, in my last video. So this is my second one. So I actually bought only two. So because these are the two worth buying. So I'm planning to add one more in my collection. So let's see how that goes. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. Okay, here is the closer look at the box. Okay, each box is actually unique to their car, whatever it is inside, which I personally like. So they are just changing the entire paint job and everything just for that. Okay, let's unbox and see how it looks. So this one is the pearl white edition. There are other colors as well, like red, and there is one more color I don't remember now, but those are not the special edition or this 50th anniversary edition. This is the only 50th anniversary edition they had. So if you want, you can go ahead and buy it from Cars and Dolls. I hope they have it in stock. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car, this looks really nice, and it looks really well made. The paint job looks really nice, and it's smooth. So here's a closer look. I don't know if there is any issue or that the side lights a little bit lifted. So other side looks pretty normal. Okay, anyway, that is not going to be an issue, but it's kind of a nitpick. So this one actually has openable doors and a hood. But one good thing about this car is, okay, before that let me show you this. So the tail lights and headlights both actually are made of some kind of plastic. It is not painted out or just a sticker or something like that. They do have some kind of detailing on the bottom. So and the bottom is actually made of plastic. This is not metal. So the wheels are actually made of rubber. It's not rolling that much. Still it's okay. And the rear view mirrors are actually made of metal. Spoiler is made of metal. And now something about this particular car is this one has the windshield on the sides. So I'm not sure how I'm going to open it. Yeah. Okay. Let me just try on this side as well. Luckily the rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of metal, so I'm able to open this. So the interior is unique to this car. So it's fully black, so I'm not able to show you that clearly, guys. Let me just try to shine some light here separately, see how it goes. This is bucket seats they are having. So this is the first model in my life I seen, with specifically on this 1/64 scale with a windshield and openable doors. That looks really nice actually. So none of the other brands actually did this as far as I know. So if you guys knows, you can just drop me that link in the comments. Okay, so the paint job is really nice. So let me just close this one, and it just snaps back. And let me just try to open this. I know it has openable Dude, I just don't know how to open it. I mean, with what I'm going to open it. I don't have my nails either. I don't want to scratch the paint. So let me see what I can do with this. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. Let me just try to open this one and I will just come back. Okay, guys, here it is. I just opened it with a knife. It's a bit hard to open, but it has some great detailing here. That looks really nice. So I bought this for 1000 rupees from Cars and Dolls. So the MRP was around like 1300. So if you guys want to buy this one, go ahead and just buy it. Let's see if it has suspension. No, it doesn't have any suspension. Let's do a roll test. No, it is not rolling at all. Just it rolls when you just hold it in your hand and move, but it does not. No. Anyway, these are not meant to be played with. These are supposed to be a display model. The logo placement and everything looks really nice. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me, so consider subscribing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.